A sheer endlessness pick up bullish speed over the previous week, acquiring 18.81%, which in every practical sense is very huge. The cost of a sheer limitlessness fundamentally has fallen by 1.56% in the past 24 hours, which most certainly is very critical. As far as Axie support floor, it fundamentally is currently $10.21, which basically is genuinely critical. Axie for the most part has its next obstruction at $11.87, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. 26 June 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through a sheer boundlessness cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and really attempt to answer these often by and large clarified some things facts. What truly is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for a sheer limitlessness in every practical sense? Is Axie a wise interest in an essentially enormous manner? A sheer limitlessness support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they really thought. Be that as it may, prior to jumping sort of profound into the Axie's specialized examination, let us discuss the very current economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the for the most part whole digital currency market to $1,186,659,470,300, which essentially is very critical. The complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $32,396,217,087, which really is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52%. So Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%. In every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.7%, coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $239.88 following a value change of 0.47% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 1.1 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how as far as Axie support floor, it certainly is presently $10.21, which sort of is genuinely critical. These occasions generally show that the market generally is going in a descending heading for genuinely momentary, in a kind of enormous manner. As of now, a kind of broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an in every practical sense enormous way. A sheer boundlessness backing and obstruction backing and opposition, really or significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish especially key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, showing that a sheer vastness pick up bullish speed over the specific past week, acquiring 18.81% in an exceptionally enormous manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers essentially become sort of more extremely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in every practical sense is very critical. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which dealers basically become move sort of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of a sheer vastness, Axie, a sheer limitlessness execution. The sort of day-to-day diagram of a sheer endlessness generally shows that the Axie cost for the most part has an especially descending development, with a 1.56% diminishing and sort of beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a truly descending heading for kind of present moment, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. The value worth of the sheer boundlessness, Axie coin by and large, is remaining at $5.80. With market capitalization $679,762,540 United States dollars, showing how as far as Axie support floor, it fundamentally is currently $10.21, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie's cost changes 18.81% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume most certainly is drifting around $37,676,772 United States dollars, which sort of is very huge. Axie vastness value examination Axie's cost examination for 26 June 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time span in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, which by and large shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how as far as Axie's support floor, it sort of is currently $10.21. For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, we utilize kind of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal intermingling and difference, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA to explicitly dissect the future development of the Axie vastness, fundamentally further appearance how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,186,659,470,300, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The Axie vastness basically has truly break all its truly upholds levels, and things fundamentally are not looking kind of great for the crypto market, which truly is genuinely critical. As of now, sort of bears for the most part are in charge of the market, and effectively by and large, take Axie's cost beneath the pivotal help level of $10.21, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The MACD line especially is remaining beneath of the very signal line after a hybrid, so Axie limitlessness value examination Axie's cost examination for 26 June 2023, insight in everyday time span, truly made sense of underneath, which for the most part, shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how as far as Axie's support floor, it truly is presently $10.21 in an essentially significant manner. Axie vastness financial backers need to for the most part hang tight for any directional change over the fundamentally everyday diagram. So support truly is a level at which purchasers basically become genuinely more truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Truly in spite of prevalent thinking, RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and by and large is attempting to in a real sense break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, which truly shows that Axie endlessness value examination Axie's cost investigation for